Jesus.
So are you looking for a fun way to make popcorn on your stove top? Sim and I will be showing you how to do this with aluminum foil, but first, let's see how it's done before the pot get to potting. Make we see it quick, smoke. Make we see it, wait there. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 And then?
And it just pop.
And then it just pop goes the weasel. All right.
Sure, we'll just open everything because why not?
Okay. Gloves. Where are your gloves, miss?
Mulberry bush. To take out the foul paper?
Yeah, well, to touch the popcorn.
No, don't catch in the popcorn yet.
I'm gonna, then tie down the fat. Hey! The fat paper is ready for an orgy.
Don't call him yet. Don't call him yet, Harris. Don't call him yet.
So,
don't call him yet.
We're getting,
Okay, just even up.
That's right. That's right, girl.
I brought this for you this morning.
Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. So, yes. Right? Right? So I think the thing, if you put the thing back in the top.
I did. So we're going to take out this.
Just close it. Put this on the inside of this. All right, me just help you with a smoother way, so you don't have to tear. All right.
All right.
Yeah.
So, are you going to talk me through?
Put on your gloves. Hygiene is important.
Who is Jean and why is she high?
Right.
Yeah, so.
Don't. Right. Then put the popping corn into the foil paper. Children, do not try this at home without your parents. Right. Then a little bit of butter. I'm thinking that's a whole heap of butter.
I'm gonna don't flang hard off the butter.
That's like too much.
You sure? The piece that I saw on the thing was
but it was a lot more corn. That's a lot. Right. That's good.
Okay, miss.
You can put a bit of salt if you want to now.
Pinch.
Pinch and just spread it around. Right.
Okay. Then we're going to
lock it in. Yes, that's it, Simber.
Wrap it like a Christmas present.
Lock it like a Christmas present. You're right, man. You're going very well.
Why is Clive laughing at me?
Going very well. He must laugh until the popcorn done pop, then him first.
You understand?
Perhaps some popcorn.
After the bulla and the
pineapple. Ignore the naysayer.
What did he have for breakfast this morning? He had a bulla, a pineapple.
Ignore the naysayers.
A banana and ginger tea. Who does that?
Clive.
Clive does that. Okay.
Right.
Ready?
Right. Fold it up a little tight. Well, it took us, yeah.
Double sealed. Let me double seal then.
That's yeah. It's gonna be such a delicious finish, guys.
Yeah.
That's how the cooking people and when them are preparing, you're not gonna believe how great this is gonna taste.
And under deliver.
And while this is happening, right, put it in there. Right? Yeah, when you put it, just put it in there and then poke it. Yeah, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. And then put it in the pot. And then poke the top.
You must go all the way down, you sure?
I think so.
We never see it go all the way down, you know.
It go down, man.
Is one hole it must poke? Produce or two hole?
One hole. Hole, Simone, rip it up.
This cannot make a hole, Harris. This
but you never have to Jeffrey Dahmer it. You just
this is one stab.
Okay, but...
Okay. So no.
It's supposed to be hot. No, a two stove I turn on this one.
I don't know how to use this stove. Go on, shove up it. All right.
Yes. That should be it. So while you wait on the popcorn to pop,
then why the pot going?
It's a great time for you to choose what's the family going to do while we're eating popcorn. So use this moment to go through a selection of games or movies or something that you're going to be doing while eating the popcorn.
We have a minute and 53 seconds. What do you want to do? Let's play.
Now that the popcorn is still popping.
It not start pop yet, miss.
It hasn't popped.
Pop, 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 pop.
You see, this is where we go wrong, because the food people them would have said, now in the interest of time, this is what the finished product is going to look like. And then your sister, it popped. At this rate, Karen Bukaga done show with the whole of the small space decor. And we know that the popcorn need to go over there.
Come,
the popcorn need to go.
No, we can play ABC fast or slow. Me not like oil file look like. What going on?
ABC fast or slow.
Start.
Fast, run out of here. Because
something is burning in the city of Denmark.
Smoker come out and something.
Harris.
Smoker come out, but I know me can't hear pop.
I think the next thing we're going to hear is siren.
Hold on there, yeah.
I don't remember the popcorn being down in the pot.
But they want to take it up
yeah. I saw them did have it. Not into the pot itself. Look like we are cooking the file.
Into the pot.
Let me see. Look again.
But it no, just stay up.
You see, it's not in the pot,
but
Harris.
It no, stay up.
You hold that side. No, this not sound good.
Hold that side then. Okay. Don't do this at home.
Nothing is popping over here. Okay. Ah, when the fire burn me. Me not play that game here again.
No, darling. Jeez. What on there? What on there? Save the phone. Take up a tablet some more. Me not like how this sound.
Clear space.
Me not like how this sound, Clive.
No.
No?
No, it's not.
I'll know me can't hear one pop. Eh? Then the butter have to melt first before the corn pop?
Yeah. Oh, I smells of
what you smell, Simone?
Popcorn.
I smell burn corn. A pop you smell? Yeah. Any minute now this is going to be a omni porridge exercise because this corn you need for go blend. Me don't know what going right. Simone, Lord Jesus. The moral of the story
is a pop! Oh! Oh!
Simone, I can't stay there of our John here.
Oh, yeah, brother Muffin. Listen that.
No, I have faith. I also have very delicate skin that I'm not going to expose to this kind of...
It's not bad. Go on, Pop, yeah. I'm doing great, Rita. You know, Nephril would be standing right here.
He would.
Gideon.
He would.
Come over back.
And if it's Nephril, you use as the example.
You have a point.
You right? Right?
You have a point.
It's okay. I can see it from here. I've not lost anything from the experience from this distance.
Monitor.
I can hear the pop. I can see.
Is it really supposed to be smoking like this, though? I'm not sure.
Well, it's a pop.
It's a pop, but it's not burn. What you have?
No, it's not pop. Okay. To pop one by one.
What?
Around the walls of Jericho.
You want us to open it now? The end result is going to be dismal. You're just trying to embarrass us. You don't want all of it to pop.
Use the knife, Mama.
Should we
just one need for pop.
So should we take it off?
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Okay. Use the Jeffrey Dahmer.
What is wrong with this girl?
Yay! Yay!
If we did left it, it would have proper pop.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Yeah.
See there? It started popping for true.
Same percent as the voter turnout.
11%. And now Dana is gonna taste
11% of the popcorn.
Really? Anima, as Neferi would say, chairs and benches. You never chaired. Aubrey. Yum! This is delicious. It is so tasty. I think I'm going to leave some for the crew. And
Put the popcorn in the microwave. Put it
I'm trying this at home.
There are people who have done this for you, and then pick the need for go to school. So support the child of the person who work at the popcorn.
If your teeth is shaking, do not put this in your mouth.
We'll be right back.
What
After is there a dentist coming?
It's tough like a buckram. Jesus.
What did we do wrong?
What?